everyone! Welcome to Crafty Hackers. We've got some more craft ideas for you and the whole family. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Crafty Hackers and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, here we go. Done chart. Here's a fun way to keep track of the chores around the house. Get some poster board, a few small clothespins, and pictures of each household chore. Take some construction paper and measure out several strips. Cut them out. Measure a strip to fit the picture. And write the chore on it. On some bigger pieces of construction paper, write the word done. Make it sparkle with a glitter pen and your fanciest handwriting. Next, lay out the pictures and labels on the poster board. Glue the chore strip to the corresponding picture. Lay out the pictures evenly on the cord and mark their places. On a safe surface, cut slits into the poster board for the pictures to fit into. Put your pictures in place. Use your ruler to draw a line across the poster board just under the pictures. Fold it on the line. Now cut the extra board off. Then, cut the bottom into sections like this. Fold up the sections and glue your done labels onto the outside. When your chore is done, fold over the section and clip it with your small clothespin. This is an easy and fun way for the kids to keep track of their chores. DIY family tree. Here's a great summer project for the whole family. You'll need pictures of your family members, a colorful pot, and some decorative rocks. Go on a hike together and find some tree branches. Cut out some colorful pieces of construction paper to look like pieces of fruit. These will frame your pictures. Fold up some green construction paper a few times and trace out a leaf. When you cut it out, you'll have several leaves for your tree. Put your picture on the fruit paper and add a leaf. Glue it all together. Once you have all your fruit pictures done, add the rocks to your pot. Put the branches into the rocks. Use small clothespins to hang up your family pictures on the branches. And you've got the most colorful family tree in town. Heart-shaped muffins. Baking is a fun family activity. Here's a way to add some extra love. Mix up your favorite muffin recipe. Use some clean rocks, then push your muffin cups into the shape of a heart. Use the rocks to hold the shape in place. Pour in the muffin mix and bake. Use an aluminum pie tin and add some beads to the bottom. Now, put another pie tin inside for a DIY Lazy Susan. Add your muffins to the tin and serve. Yum! Balloon ping pong. Looking for a silly game for the whole family to play? Try this. Grab 2 paper plates and some wide straws. Glue the straws to the back of the plates to make paddles. Blow up a balloon. Go outside and enjoy a game of balloon ping pong. Sock puppets. To get an accurate placement of your googly eyes, put your hand in the sock first. Mark the spots for the eyes with a marker. Hot glue the eyes in place. Draw silly eyelashes, eyebrows, and mouths with a marker. And enjoy the puppet show. Hoopla Game. Use an X-Acto knife to cut circles out of a few paper plates. When you're done, you should have a bunch of hoops like these. Quick tip, don't throw away the circles you cut out in the plates. Save them and use them as coasters for your glasses and cups. Glue 2 plates together, then glue the bottom of the plates to another plate. Grab an old paper towel roll and glue it into the center of your plates. Now you've got a homemade ring toss game to play at family barbecues. So fun! Rock photo holders. Pick up some hobby clay from the craft store. Pull off a piece, roll it into a ball, then flatten it out. Do this with several pieces of clay so they look like rocks. Get some craft wire and wire cutters. Take the section of wire and wrap it around your clay rock. Bend it into place with needle nose pliers. Wrap the wire around the rock several times. Wrap the remaining wire into a circle a few inches above the rock. Use a marker to guide you and make it even. Repeat the process for the other rocks. Next, you'll need a mason jar and a long piece of wire. Wrap the wire around the top of the mason jar. Make a wire circle at the top, just like you did with the rocks. Put some decorative rocks inside the jar. Add your favorite pictures. And those are our craft ideas for the whole family. What was your favorite craft idea? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe by clicking the button in the upper right-hand corner. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Have a great summer!